this?
What are you touching?
I'm touching an anemone.
Oh, look. Show him. Oh, cool. Alex, what are you going to touch so Trevor can see?
Trevor, see this thing? See this? This is an anemone just like it.
Okay.
Except it's bigger. See? Look.
Oh, look. Alex is touching it. Okay, Peyton, what are you going to touch so Trevor can see?
I don't know. That's a tube worm.
It's a tube worm? Okay.
I am going to touch a tube worm and watch what it does.
Okay, hold on. Slow. Slow. Oh, where'd they go?
See, Trevor?
Oh. They all went in. Touch that sea cucumber, Peyton.
Watch this sea cucumber.
See that sea cucumber right there? That one? Touch that one.
No, touch this one.
Oh, okay.
Whoa, no.
Why?
Because that one.
That's okay.
Look at it.
Touch the sea cucumber, Peyton.
Watch this, Trevor. It's very squishy.
Oh.
Whoa, that one's kind of hard.
Yeah? Oh, Aaron's touching starfish. Okay, Alex, one more. You do one more.
This, Trevor. This is gonna be cool. See, look, see this thing?
Okay.
And what happens if you touch
weird.
these?
Okay.
Watch.